Hi, my name's Rebecca Stadler. Welcome to this week's Pirate Fight Club. Today I've got a two-part question. What happens when your patent application receives a restriction requirement? And then the second question I'll ask in a couple seconds because I need to explain what a restriction requirement is first. So a restriction requirement is actually just telling the applicant that they have more than one invention in the patent application. So under the patent statute, you're only allowed to have one invention that receives a patent. It can't have more than one invention in it. So if you've got a method and a product, the patent office is going to come back to you and say, you need to pick one of these inventions, and then we'll prosecute this invention on the merits. So let's say you pick the method, then you're wondering, wait, what happens to the product? So the second part of the question is, do I lose the claims to the second invention? And the answer is no. What you need to do is file a divisional application. So as long as it's before the other patent application for the method, as long as it's before that patent has issued or the case has gone abandoned, you can file a divisional application and then on the product, and then the patent office will prosecute that on the merits. So you may potentially get two patents instead of one, but you don't lose those rights, but there is a certain point where you would lose those rights if the other patent application is no longer pending. So that's the answer to that question. If you've got any more questions or comments or feedbacks, put them in on the page, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you next week.